The Louisiana Master Naturalists Northeast present Restoration Moments. Short film clips from Restoration Park in West Monroe. These are black-bellied whistling ducks. They're preening, dabbling, enjoying the sunshine. These pretty ducks are often seen roosting in trees, hence the name tree ducks. This is a little blue heron, an adolescent, and that's why it looks partially white. The juveniles are white. And this bird is vulnerable. Our members log observations of these birds and other creatures on iNaturalist.org as part of our citizen science efforts. Next we have some white-tailed deer stags drinking and enjoying the water. And here's a doe. Restoration Park's a very good place to observe white-tailed deer. They often have beautiful reflections in the water. They're protected here. On the other side of the boardwalk, there's another doe, drinking and grazing in the shallow water. I didn't realize that they enjoyed browsing water plants, but they do. I hope you'll be able to get to visit the park and enjoy this sort of thing for yourself. I shot all today's video from the boardwalk. All this is easy to see. On the way back to the car park, I saw another deer emerging out of the woods to go and join its friend, drinking and browsing in the lake. I hope you've enjoyed these glimpses of nature, and I hope you'll consider joining the Louisiana Master Naturalist Northeast for some formal education and volunteering opportunities. Here is our website, and these are some of the workshops and events that you can join.